Welcome back to Pump with Thilly. If you're breastfeeding your baby and finding it difficult to get comfortable, the way you hold your baby can make a huge difference. A good nursing position should help your baby latch deeply while keeping your neck, shoulders, and back relaxed. Start by bringing your baby close to your body rather than leaning forward toward your baby. Keep your baby's chest and tummy facing your body, with their head, neck, and spine comfortably aligned. Your baby's nose should be near your nipple, allowing them to open their mouth wide and latch without twisting their neck. The cradle hold is one of the most familiar breastfeeding positions. Support your baby with the arm on the same side as the breast you're using. Keep your baby's head resting in the bend of your elbow while their body is turned toward you. The cross cradle hold can give you more control, especially when you're learning to latch. Use the opposite arm to support your baby's head and neck while your other hand supports your breast. This position can make it easier to guide your baby toward a deep latch. The football hold can be especially comfortable after a cesarean birth or for mothers with larger breasts. Tuck your baby beside you, under your arm, with their legs pointing behind you. Support their neck and shoulders while keeping their body facing your breast. The side-lying position can be helpful when you need to rest. Lie on your side with your baby facing you and keep your baby safely positioned close to the breast. If you become sleepy, move your baby to a separate safe sleep space afterward. Remember, breastfeeding should not require you to tolerate constant pain. Some initial tenderness can happen, but ongoing nipple pain, clicking sounds, shallow latching, or frequent slipping off the breast may mean your baby needs help with positioning or latch. Try different holds and use pillows to support your arms, but avoid placing pillows directly under your baby's head in a way that pushes them away from your body. At Pump with Thilly, we're here to help make your breastfeeding journey feel more comfortable and confident, one feeding at a time.